Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to a new video. So a common problem with iPhone is that your screen might automatically dim down for no reason. And in this video, we're gonna learn how to fix that. So go ahead and open up your settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to display and brightness, click on it. And then you see the automatic option right there. If it's turned on for you, you need to go ahead and turn that off. But that does not always fix the problem. So the second fix we have here is that you wanna go back to your settings and then look for focus, and then you can see the do not disturb. Once you're in there, click on the lock screen option, and then you're gonna see another hidden option that says dim lock screen. If that's turned on for you, you need to turn that off right away. So the third fix that we have here is actually what fixed my problem when I was having it. And for that, we'll want to go back to the settings again, and then you want to tap on accessibility. After that, you need to click on display and text size. And then when you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see another option for auto brightness. It will most likely be turned on for you, so go ahead and turn that off. And that should fix the auto brightness issue for you. I really hope that this video was helpful. If it was, let us know in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe for future videos just like this one.